Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Volvo remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is to remove the emergency blade out of the bottom of the key. We do that by sliding over this little mechanism here which releases the key, like so. Now we turn the key over and then you can just see in there's a very tiny Phillips headed screw that holds both the two cases together, so we just need to remove that. Now we can just split the two halves of the case, try and be very gentle. And there you go, there is your key fob battery. We just remove it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. Now it's just time to pop it back together. So you pop the battery back into its housing. You're making sure that the writing is facing down on the battery so you can't see it, and then we know it's in its correct location. Now it's time to pop the two halves back together. Make sure everything's lined up, like so. We just click it in place. We just pop the screw back in. And we just tighten it up. Now it's time to pop the key back in. And there you go, it's all done.